Good morning, kindergartners. Today is Friday, April 3rd. Let's begin with our April song. Sing a song for April, A-P-R-I-L. April is the 4th month and spring is here as well. Days are getting warmer, the flowers start to sprout. A-P-R-I-L, that's what April's all about. The April song. All right, I'll move myself up here. Today I said was Friday, April. Well, this is an easy one. What number comes after 2? You're right, 3. Today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. Good job. All right, I'll move myself over. Oh, I'm going to stay right there. All right. Did you hear me say that today was Friday? Well, you're right. It is Friday. What was yesterday? What day was yesterday? What day comes before Friday? You're right. Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. And what will tomorrow be? I wonder if anybody knows. You're right. It'll be Saturday. All right. Let's see if I can think of a really fun number for today. Oh, I'm going to think of this one. This number came in my head. 79. So, whiz kids, what comes before 79? You're right. 78. Now, what number comes after 79? You're right. 80. Nice job, kindergartners. You are doing a good job. All right, it's code date time. Are you ready? I'm ready. All right, April is the 4th month. So I write a 4 here. Dash. What number of the day is it? How many days in April have we had? You're right, 3. And then what is the year? Yes, you put the year right here. All right. So today, the code date for today is 4/3/20. Nice job. Our tallies are really boring. We only are going to make 3 tallies. Are you ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. 3 tallies. That's it. All right, I did a little work ahead. Right now it's 16 degrees out. So that means that, whoa, let me move this. Oh, I better put those back in there. I'm going to move this down. I'm just going to have to erase this. There we go. So if it's 16 degrees out, let's start at 0 and let's count by tens. Ready? 10. Well, we got to count by ones now. Well, we could count by fives, couldn't we? Okay, 10, 15, 16. What color are we in today? Purple. We are in the purple today. It's like winter wanted to come back. I wanted it to be in the green. Oh, well. And it also looks like it is cloudy. Whoa, what do I have going on today? Here we go. Oh, I better move myself over here. Cloudy. Good job. Ariana, it'll be your birthday at the end of April. But there's Ariana. Here are my 5 and 6-year-olds. There we go. Do you see yourself? Good morning, Ariana. Good morning, Brylan. Good morning, Tobias. Good morning, Drake. Good morning, Alyssa. Good morning, Tristan. Good morning, Axel. Good morning, Tatum. Good morning, Aviana. Good morning, Vivi. Good morning, Aiden. Good morning, Connor. Good morning, Brandon. Good morning, Amara. Good morning, Zoe. Good morning, Coley. All right, so now it's time. And none of you lose teeth. I'm not even gonna do this one. Here we go. Today, Coley is the jokester of the day. Here is her joke. Enjoy. We'll do that one again.
To the movies.
Ready? I'm going to do that one again because it wasn't on very loud.
Where do cows go when they're born?
Where do cows go when they're born?
To the movies.
That's a good one. Thank you, Coley, for the joke of the day. I loved it. Okay, boys and girls, have a wonderful Friday. Bye-bye.